Best gold stocks to buy now. In the current economic climate, characterized by high uncertainty and elevated geopolitical tensions, investors are increasingly concerned about their financial stability and investment holdings. Inflation remains persistently high in the U.S. and other developed nations, intensifying these worries. To counteract these challenges, many investors are turning to gold stocks, which have a reputation for being safe havens during times of market instability. Gold stocks offer several benefits that make them attractive in uncertain times. They often retain value or appreciate when other assets depreciate, acting as a hedge against volatility. Furthermore, gold investments can enhance portfolio diversification, as gold has a low correlation with traditional stocks and other investments. This helps reduce overall portfolio risk. Gold has historically been a reliable store of value, underpinned by its physical properties and long history as a medium of exchange. Unlike national currencies, which can be devalued by central banks, gold tends to maintain its inherent value. Therefore, gold stocks provide not just marketable securities, but also a connection to a timeless asset. The primary reasons to own gold stocks include wealth preservation and the potential for capital appreciation over time. If you are considering adding gold stocks to your portfolio, here is a list of the best options, along with one exchange-traded fund, ETF, for those who prefer a different investment approach. Eldorado Gold Corporation, EGO. Market capitalization, $3.1 billion. Year-to-date performance, 16.3%. Eldorado Gold Corporation is a gold mining and exploration company with significant assets in Canada, Greece, Romania, and Turkey. The company is known for its experienced management team, which combines technical expertise with a strong commitment to environmentally responsible mining practices. This has enabled Eldorado to grow profits sustainably over the long run. Eldorado's key assets include the Kışladağ and Efemçukuru mines in Turkey and the Lamaque mine complex in Canada. These high-quality mines, wholly owned by Eldorado, position the company for continued growth. In 2023, Eldorado reported the production of 485,139 ounces of gold. For 2024, the company projects production to increase to between 505,000 and 555,000 ounces, translating to an expected revenue of $1.2 billion. The company's strategic focus on environmental responsibility and technical excellence ensures that it remains a viable and attractive option for investors looking for stability and growth in the gold sector. Harmony Gold Mining Company Limited, HMY. Market capitalization, $5.6 billion. Year-to-date performance, 45.4%. Harmony Gold Mining is a well-established leader in gold mining and exploration, with an increasing presence in the copper market. The company is recognized for its efforts to minimize environmental impacts and its commitment to sustainable mining practices. Harmony's principal operation is the Harmony Mine in South Africa, a significant contributor to the country's gold production. Additionally, Harmony has ongoing development projects in Papua New Guinea and Australia. Financially, Harmony is a consistently profitable company. For fiscal 2024, Wall Street expects Harmony to achieve 94 cents in earnings per share, EPS, on $3.3 billion in revenue. These numbers are projected to grow to $1.35 in EPS and $3.7 billion in revenue in the following year. Harmony's strategic focus on sustainability and profitability makes it a compelling choice for investors seeking exposure to gold and copper. Barrick Gold Corporation, Gold. Market capitalization, $29.6 billion. Year-to-date performance, -7%. Barrick Gold is one of the largest and most recognized names in the gold mining industry. With a market capitalization of $29.6 billion, Barrick is a significant player in the exploration, mining, and production of gold. The company also engages in copper and silver mining, although gold remains its primary source of revenue. Barrick's most productive assets are located in Argentina and the Dominican Republic, with additional operations in the U.S. Barrick is expected to generate approximately $12.5 billion in revenue in 2024 and $13.9 billion in 2025. The company's portfolio includes some of the world's most valuable gold and copper assets, supported by a robust pipeline of exploration projects that continually add to its reserves. Barrick also offers a forward dividend yield of 2.4%, making it an attractive option for income-focused investors. Gold Fields Ltd, GFI. Market capitalization, $14.6 billion. Year-to-date performance, 12.6%. Gold Fields Ltd is a gold production company with operations in South Africa, Chile, Canada, Australia, and other regions. In addition to gold, Gold Fields explores for silver and copper, making it a diversified mining firm. Financially, Gold Fields is in good shape, consistently producing profits. For 2024, Wall Street projects revenues of $5.3 billion and an EPS of $1.13. By 2025, revenue is expected to grow to $5.9 billion, with EPS increasing to $1.58. Despite not being primarily an income stock, Gold Fields maintains a healthy revenue stream that supports its current forward dividend of 44 cents per share, equating to a yield of 2.7%. This combination of growth and income potential makes Gold Fields an attractive option for investors. SPDR Gold Shares, GLD. Market capitalization, $61.60 billion *. Year-to-date performance, 11.7%. SPDR Gold Shares is an ETF designed to track the performance of gold bullion, less the fund's moderate expense ratio of 0.4%. GLD is backed by physical gold assets, including bullion, bars, and coins, making it a pure play on the gold market without the need for physical storage. As an ETF, GLD offers several advantages, such as trading flexibility. Investors can buy and sell shares on any business day, utilize margin, place limit or stop orders, and even sell shares short. These features make GLD a convenient and accessible way for investors to gain exposure to gold. It also carries the same risks as owning physical gold, but without the storage and transaction costs associated with buying physical metal. Conclusion: Eldorado Gold, Harmony Gold, Barrick Gold, Gold Fields, and SPDR Gold Shares offer diverse opportunities for investors seeking stability and growth amid economic uncertainty and inflation. These investments act as hedges against market volatility and enhance portfolio diversification. Each of these options presents unique strengths, from robust mining operations to direct gold exposure through an ETF, making them worthy considerations for a well-rounded investment strategy.